Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you and explain to you the difference between having a personal PayPal account or a business PayPal account. Um, it's really simple, so let's not waste any more time. As you can see right here, I'm having an article opened up, which I'll link you in the description of the video below. So, basically, having a personal account means that you can send and request money from your friends and family, buy goods and service. You can also use a PayPal account to receive money for the sale of goods and services. But if you plan to use your PayPal account to sell things, you should consider a business account, or you can upgrade your personal account to a business one. There are also some limitations to a personal PayPal account, like you cannot save the button code to the PayPal server, or your account. You cannot create an email URL text link. You cannot create shipping methods or tax tables. You cannot track inventory or profit and loss. You cannot customize the checkout screens or display a logo, and you don't have the option of any advanced features. You cannot create an active recurring or subscription item button. Personal accounts will be displayed will display both your name and email address to buyers. A business account though has all of the features I mentioned previously and more than that. Also, with a business PayPal account, you can use a company or business name as the name of your PayPal account, allow up to 200 employees to access some of the features of your PayPal account, and sign up for PayPal products that meet your business needs. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you find it helpful in deciding which type of PayPal account you need for your usage. That's all there is to it. See you in the next one. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels.